More news about Jammu and Kashmir elections, and this time it is about the Aam Aadmi Party. A fresh controversy has now erupted as Aam Aadmi Party, that has decided to contest elections in Jammu and Kashmir, released its list of star campaigners. BJP is taking on the Aam Aadmi Party, accusing Arvind Kejriwal of Parivarvad. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party facing this charge? Because in the list that was released, the Arvind Kejriwal was named number 1 on the list, followed by his wife Sunita Kejriwal at number 2. Now, Punjab CM is listed at number 3, and Kejriwal's man Friday, Manish Sisodia, is only at number 4. Now, BJP is alleging that Aam Aadmi Party chief is putting family above party and that he has no trust in his party workers.
लोकतंत्र की बात करते हैं और अपनी पार्टी में लोकतंत्र नहीं है। देखना तो ये भी चाहिए कि सुनीता केजरीवाल आम आदमी पार्टी की सदस्य है भी कि नहीं। और खुद जेल से आने के बाद मनीष सिसोदिया कह रहे थे कि नहीं, सुनीता केजरीवाल ने जितना करना था कर लिया। इस आम आदमी पार्टी में जब एक मुख्यमंत्री जेल में रहने के बाद अपनी कुर्सी नहीं छोड़ रहा, उससे अपने 60 विधायकों पे भरोसा नहीं है, तो ये तो पति पत्नी और इनकी पार्टी है जो इनके हिसाब से चीजें कंट्रोल होंगी। इनको लोकतंत्र से कोई मतलब नहीं है, इनको किसी चीज से कोई मतलब नहीं है। मैं, मेरा घर और मेरे बच्चे वो कैसे बढ़े, कैसे उसमें भ्रष्टाचार करें, ये पूरा फोकस है हमारा।
Defending its ally, the CPIM is saying that Arvind Kejriwal is the head of the party and it is his prerogative to pick whosoever he wants to as star campaigner.
Only because he is the founder, he is the leader, unquestionable leader of that party. So they will decide who will be. We cannot decide who will be number 1, who and 2. It is not our job to decide. It is not media's job to decide. So it is their job to decide whom they will place, whom they will post, whom they will give responsibility. It is their job. Their party, what their party thinks best, they are doing. Who are we to advise?
Tejasri, this is not the first time that Sunita Kejriwal finds herself being given prominence in the star campaigners list. It also happened during Lok Sabha elections, and even then there was a lot of debate over in what capacity is she the number 1 star campaigner, because Arvind Kejriwal is in jail. Now, Bhagwant Mann, an elected CM, comes after her, and ex-deputy chief minister Manish Sisodia is at number 4. So has Aam Aadmi Party clarified as to exactly in what capacity is Sunita Kejriwal their star campaigner number 2?
Well, see, Sunita Kejriwal has been named as star campaigner in the list, but yes, she is. That is important to note because, you know, Manish Sisodia earlier mentioned that after Arvind Kejriwal walks out of Tihar jail, then Sunita Kejriwal will not be playing a political role. But here, hence, we see that Manish Sisodia, who is considered to be the one of the senior most leader after Arvind Kejriwal, is on number 2, and Manish Sisodia here in this particular list is on number 4. First is Arvind Kejriwal, then is Sunita Kejriwal, then is Bhagwant Mann, and then finally is Manish Sisodia. So this particularly tells that how important role is she still playing in the party. And remember that this is not for the first time where she is being mentioned as a star campaigner. Earlier also during Lok Sabha elections and earlier state assembly elections, she was mentioned as a star campaigner. But yes, she also did participate in the campaigns, in the rallies, in the Jan Sabha Yatras. So yes, for the party, she is playing an important role, but not holding any political position or any constitutional position, any official position that way. But yes, she is also seen to be the part of several meetings when Aam Aadmi Party holds a key leaders meeting. But as of now, she does not hold any official post that way, and that is why perhaps, you know, BJP is attacking Aam Aadmi Party, calling it a Parivarvad.
Is she a member of Aam Aadmi Party, Tejasri?
No, technically she is not a member. Technically, she is not a member of Aam Aadmi Party. She says that she is, fighting for her husband, and we have seen that she has been participating in the India Bloc rallies as well, and has been, in fact, representing on the behalf of Arvind Kejriwal the first press conference, the first letter from Tihar jail. That was also read out on her behalf, and that was a message that was being sent to the party cadre and the people of the national capital that even if Arvind Kejriwal is in jail, Sunita Kejriwal is on his behalf sending the message and taking forward the legacy. And That is what, in fact, we are witnessing still, because after Arvind Kejriwal, it is Sunita Kejriwal who is in the star campaigner list. But officially, she is not holding any position in the party.
All right, one really wonders what makes Arvind Kejriwal pick Sunita Kejriwal over elected representatives like Bhagwant Mann and Manish Sisodia, and how can he escape the charge of nepotism here? Times Now will keep tracking all the details, taking a quick break right now.